Good morning friends. Today we are going to study about chapter 10, that is motion and measurement of distance. So we are going to start with a new chapter today. Okay. Now in this chapter we are going to study about motion as well as how to measure distance. Okay. But before that we should also know what is motion. So what is motion? When we say something is in motion when the position of that body changes with respect to time. Okay, so a body is said to be in motion when the position of that body changes with respect to time and surrounding also. For example, suppose you are standing here at 10 a.m. Okay, suppose this is your home, you are standing near your home. Now at suppose 12 noon you are in the marketplace. Okay, so that means you have changed your position with respect to time as well as surrounding. That means you are in motion. Okay, so you have changed your body, the position of your body with respect to time and with respect to the surrounding. So once again, what is motion? A body is said to be in motion when the position of that body changes with respect to time. Just opposite is what is rest. Okay, just opposite is rest. What is rest? A body is said to be rest when it does not change its position with respect to time and surrounding. Okay, so what is motion? When a body changes its position with respect to time, it is said to be in motion. Okay, in motion, like a moving car or a bird flying. So in motion. A body is said to be at rest when the body is stagnant in one place. Okay, for example a tree, for example a bird simply sitting in one of the branches of a tree, or you are sitting inside your classroom, so you are at rest. That means with respect to time and surrounding, the position of your body is not changing, but in case of motion, the position of the body changes. That is the difference between motion and rest. Now let us see what are the different means of transportation. Okay, till now. So let us see what are the different means of transport. Okay, so this is our next heading. Means of transport. Now, transport means to change the position of a body from one place to another. That means you have to be in motion. Okay, suppose we are in Bokaro, we will go to Ranchi. Suppose you are in Bokaro, we want to go to South India or North India. Okay, so that means of transportation. How can we move from one place to another, and how can we cover distance? Okay, how can we cover distance? What are the different means? That means ways. So what are the ways or means by the help of which we can cover distance? Let us see. Now in ancient time, very old time, okay, ancient people, let us see how they used to move from one place to another and cover distance. That was on foot. Okay, at first humans used to move on foot. Then came animals, they used to carry their goods on animals. Okay, and sometimes they also used to use very primitive boats. Okay, boats in order to ferry through the water. This ancient time. Then middle age time or middle age people, there was little bit more improvement in the means of transportation because of the invention of wheels. Okay, because of the invention of wheels. So invention means to create something new, to make something new. So because of invention of wheels, very important. Okay, and because of this wheels, they could connect these wheels in bullock carts and horse cart, and they used to move from one place to another very easily. Also during this time also bicycles came into being. Okay, so it was easy to cover the distance. Then came some ships. Okay, and you can say sailboats, then the ships, etc. Okay, sailboats, ships, etc. So this is the second generation means of transportation. Okay, then during modern time, some more improvement was there in means of transportation. How? Because nowadays you see people use automobiles. Okay, now this automobiles is because of the invention of steam engine. Okay, so because of the invention of steam engines, it became easy for people to move from one place to another. Okay, also trains were there, and then aeroplanes are there, and then supersonic jets are there. Supersonic jets. Sonic means sound, super means faster than sound, something that travels faster than sound. Okay, so supersonic jets are there. So in this way, there you see that there has been improvement in the means of transportation. Okay, so in this way, humans started inventing like wheels, very important. Then the invention of steam engine. Okay, because steam produces a lot of power. By the help of that power, we can mechanically drive an engine, and it can be helpful in movement of trains, etc. Okay, so these are the different means of transport. Now let us see our next topic, that is what is distance. Mind you, this is just an introductory class, and pay attention. So our next topic is distance. Okay, so now let us see what is distance. Distance means how much far or how much long any place is. Okay, suppose this is point A, this is point B. So how much far is point B from point A? Or suppose this is a pen. So what is the length of this pen? Or what is the length of this room? Okay, or what is the length of the dress that I am wearing? Or what is the length of the piece of cloth that I have bought from the market? So what is distance? Distance means distance or length. That means it is a physical quantity to measure how far or how long anything is. Okay, so that small, like you can say the length of a pencil. We don't use distance, but distance basically means how much far any place is. Okay, far, that means it is a physical quantity to measure how far or how long something is. What is the distance from the moon to the earth? Okay, so distance. So in this way we can say that distance is a physical quantity. Okay, it is a physical quantity. And because distance is a physical quantity, or you can say a measurement, so this physical quantity need to be measured. Okay, how much far is place Bokaro from Ranchi? So how far? So for measuring this physical quantity, we need some units. Okay, we need some units or unit. We need a unit to measure distance. That SI unit of distance is, the SI unit of distance is meter. Okay, we can denote it by M. So SI unit of distance is meter. SI unit of length is also meter. Okay, so please don't get confused. Length means what is the length of this pencil. Distance means what is the distance of this place, one place from another. Okay, so the SI unit of meter is the SI unit of we can say distance is meter. Now there are other units also, smaller units also, like in case of length we know millimeter is there, or centimeter is there. Okay, then meter is there, then kilometer. Okay, kilometer is a bigger unit. Okay, so in this way we can have some units. We can have some units to measure physical quantity like distance. Okay, now what is SI unit? SI unit is the full form is system, or you can say standard international. Okay, standard international. So standard international means it is accurate and it is uniformly used all over the world. So meter in our country is equal to meter in America also, in Europe also, etc. So it is the standard international unit to measure any physical quantity. For example, second is the unit for time. Okay, centimeter is the unit for distance or length, in this way. So today is just the introductory class, children. We will discuss about this chapter in our coming videos. I will upload a summary. Please go through the summary and write the notes. Also go through your books. Thank you so much for watching this video.